Hey guys, today I'm going to make some cinnamon rolls in the toaster oven. Let's get toasting. I'm not making these from scratch. I found these for $1.49 at the grocery outlet. Said they're regularly like $5 or something. I have done baking on this channel before, but not in a long time. So let's see if I can open this without it giving me a heart attack here. Alright, didn't pop. Okay. Press that seam until can pops open. Oh, hey, it didn't even make a loud noise. Not bad. Okay, it said to use a cake pan or a baking pan, but this is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. The one I always use in my toaster oven, so we use that. It's lightly oiled. I lightly oiled it. So, let's see, just pull these apart here, like that I guess. Lay them out in there. Oh, that's frosting right there. That's the frosting for when they're done. Okay, there's 5 of these guys. So, that one's coming apart. Uh-oh, it's coming unraveled, oh no. Emergency! Alright, let's see if we can rewrap it back up there. Okay, pull that one back apart. So I figure, okay, 5 of these. Should be able to squeeze them in there. Just like this. Alright, now we'll get those into the toaster oven. It says to cook these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on bake for 23 to 27 minutes. And I never preheat my toaster oven, so I'm just going to get them going and just keep an eye on them. It's been 17 minutes, but I think these might be done already. Look at that. I think they're done. I'm going to get them out of there. This oven has a convection fan, so maybe that makes them cook faster. I don't really know, but they look good to me. So I guess you just spread this on. I don't know, or are you supposed to soften it up first? I guess when they're hot it should just kind of melt on there. I don't know, it doesn't really say. So this is how I'm doing it. We'll be back when I'm done with this. These are all frosted and they cooled down a little bit, so let's see what they look like here. Okay, the bottom looks good, not burned. Nice, let's try a bite. Turned out good. It's flaky, not doughy. It's not meat, but Annie's up. I guess she wants to try it anyway. Ready, Annie? There you go. Where are you going? She has to chew that a little bit. You like it? Well, that was easy, and they cooked fast. 17 minutes instead of 23 to 27 minutes. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.